Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. Punjab University conducted a very important entry test for MPhil PhD admission on Wednesday 23rd July 2025. Dear students, today I will discuss very important conceptual questions of that paper. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone do subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and I want to announce that Assistant Director STAT preparation session has been started and students of mathematics, statistics and economics have joined this session from different cities of Punjab. You can also join. My WhatsApp numbers are given. Do send me a message. Let's start. Question number 1. Mean of the standard normal distribution. Dear students, we know that in standard normal distribution, mean is always 0 and variance is always equal to 1. A very important one. Next question is variance of the chi-square distribution. Dear students, chi-square distribution is positively skewed. It ranges from 0 to plus infinity. Its mean is always equal to its degree of freedom small n, and variance is twice its degree of freedom. Variance is twice the mean. That will be 2n, a very important one. Next question is heteroscedasticity. In heteroscedasticity, variance of the error term is. Dear students, options are minimum, constant, 0 and none. We know that in homoscedasticity, variance of the error term is constant. In that question, they have given you heteroscedasticity. The option will be none. Next question is in cluster sampling, groups are. They are heterogeneous. We know that within the group there should be a large variation. That should be heterogeneous. The groups should be heterogeneous in cluster sampling. Next question is very important for the interview, for the written test. Mutually exclusive events. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive events if they cannot come together. Their intersection is 0. They are always dependent. Option is not independent. This is dependent. They are always dependent. Next question is for detecting autocorrelation we use Durbin-Watson test. Next question is in mutually exclusive events A intersection B is always equal to 0. Next question is if in mutually exclusive events A intersection B is 0, then events are mutually exclusive and disjoint. They are not overlapping. They have nothing common between them. Next question is for testing hypothesis of several population means. Dear students, whenever we are doing the testing of 3 or more population means, we use F test, a very important one. F test is used for testing 3 or more means. It is used for testing 2 population variances. Next question is very important. Kruskal Wallis H test is used as an alternative of ANOVA, analysis of variance. Next question is H, T, 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 H, 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 T, T, T. How many runs are there? There are 4 runs. Actually, H is the first run, then T, 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 second run, then H, 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 third run, then T, 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 fourth run. Next question is if we reject H naught when it is true, then we commit a mistake. It is called type 1 error. And if we accept H naught when it is false, it is type 2 error. In that question, if we reject H naught when it is true, it is type 1 error. Next question is in symmetric distribution, we know mean is equal to median is equal to mode. Next question is MLE, maximum likelihood estimator. MLE, the method of point estimation, was introduced by R.A. Fisher, and method of movements was introduced by Cole Pearson, a very important one. Next question is range of Durbin-Watson test is 0 to plus 4. Next question is in binomial distribution, we know trials are fixed. Next question is if P is equal to 0.6 and Q is equal to 0.4, then the distribution is. Dear students, whenever P, the probability of success, is greater than probability of failure Q, then we have negatively skewed distribution. Next question is if in Durbin-Watson D is equal to 2, the distribution is, we have no autocorrelation when D is equal to 2. Next question is, for testing two population regression coefficients, degree of freedom is, the correct option is n1 plus n2 minus 2. Next question is very important, y is equal to 3x plus 7. Standard deviation of x is given 2k, then what is standard deviation of y? That will be 6k. We know standard deviation and variance are independent of origin. They are not changed with plus or minus, but they are depending upon multiply and divide. Next question is, when each unit in the population has non-zero probability of being selected in the sample, we have probability sampling. Next question is, if we collect information about all population values, it is called complete enumeration. Next question is, Durbin version used to detect what? Autocorrelation. Next question is, a balanced die is rolled, what is the probability of getting odd number? It is 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Probability of A complement is what? 1 minus probability of A. Dear students, last question is, error term is a dash integral indicate in terms mathematics or statistics? It is statistics. Dear students, must join the session today. Assalamu alaikum.